Hi Cesar, this is me making a video to you again. What's good, shit? Just kidding.
I'm gonna die. Are you really recording this?
No.
Please record it.
Okay. Anyway,
Can you record it?
I am! Okay. So I'm just showing you my ladle, Cesar, so we remember this moment. It's cute. So.
That's nasty.
You're right, this is really good.
Leanna, do you want to see that?
This is really good.
You're nasty for me.
Why? I think it's good.
Okay.
You were right. No. Watch me now, post like boo.
Straight neck. Give me that neck. What? How did I still die? What are you doing?
Damn, you judge.
Your neck is pressing.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to get me started on you when you sweat?
Sound neck.
When you sweat, black comes off. It like literally rolls off because your neck is so dirty.
I thought we were chill. We were straight homies, not you shady. Shady.
She doesn't believe it.
Homegirls. What the hell? You're shooting at me. Crap. I died because you didn't. Don't shoot at me. They're not funny. We used to be homies. You're so shady. What the? How did it? It's not your fault. Just because you're black. Crap.
Oh,
What?
are you still recording?
You still recording?
I forgot.
You're recording?
I
I
forgot.
thought you said that you lied to me. Man.
I told you I was gonna record. You be judging, you know?
You be Negro. Oh crap, huh? What the fuck? Niggas be touching up fire shoes. Straight neck.
This ladle is too freaking big.
Okay, well, no one told you to get a freaking soup spoon.
Why you judge? Dad!